Hello, and how are you? I hope that you are having a fantastic day. Today we're going to talk about cryptocurrency news. Is Samsung a crypto giant? That is a very interesting proposition, and it could be happening right under our noses. Weiss Crypto Ratings has published a top-rated coin. Can you guess which coin that Weiss Crypto Ratings has selected as their top-rated coin? Is it your favorite coin? Are crypto swaps better than a crypto exchange? So we're going to dig into this. In fact, with crypto swaps, it could be the best way for you to be able to keep control over your cryptocurrency assets and reduce the risk when you're actually involved with cryptocurrencies. And so this last one could save you thousands of dollars, or depending on how much you actually have invested, a large portion, if not all, of your cryptocurrency investment. So let's get right into it. Can we get 99 likes on this video? Hey, it really helps us out. Smash the like button for us. And I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is my opinion. Cryptocurrency involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for every investor. So Samsung is quietly becoming a major Bitcoin, crypto, and blockchain player. South Korean giant Samsung and creator of the Galaxy smartphones has introduced a brand new Samsung Galaxy 10 phones, and these phones have blockchain wallets and cryptocurrency built right into them. So the new 5G enabled smartphones build on Galaxy S10 ranges Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and blockchain support, which last year was revealed to boost a built-in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency wallet. So those using Samsung devices with blockchain key store are able to store the private keys of their Bitcoin and crypto wallets on the device. Control over a wallet's private keys is often cited as one of the most overlooked and important aspects of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, with many of the biggest crypto exchange hacks and thefts happening because people fail to store their tokens in wallets that they have the private keys and control over. If Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are stored on a smartphone-based wallet, that gives users control over their private keys, and it removes reliance on external exchanges. And so one of the big risks for investing in cryptocurrency is not necessarily for that coin to be going down, but rather for you to have put your cryptocurrency and your hard-earned money out on an exchange, and then something happens with the exchange and you end up losing that cryptocurrency. And so it's always a best practice to take your investment off of the exchange and store it in a hardware wallet. Now, is the Samsung phone the best way to keep your cryptocurrency? I don't know enough about the privacy features that they built into this phone. The article talks about how they've added additional privacy and security features into the phone. So at the moment, my preference, because of what I know, not because of what Samsung has built, because they may have built a better solution. I don't know yet, because I just don't know enough about the technology that they've built into the Samsung S10. So in the past, the best solution has always been a hardware wallet, such as a Trezor or a Ledger. And those keep your private keys. They're not even on a device that's accessible via the internet. It's on a USB type device, and you unplug that device, and then your private keys are not even connected to the internet at all. In fact, when you use a hardware wallet, your private keys actually never leave the hardware wallet, but the hardware wallet does the processing so that you can make purchases or swap from one cryptocurrency to another. And so one of the things that we're going to talk about later in this video is an option you can use. Instead of moving cryptocurrency out on an exchange, you can actually use what's called a cryptocurrency swap. And that way You never ever have to deposit your cryptocurrency onto an exchange and then withdraw it from this exchange. You can swap it directly in your hardware wallet and trade from Bitcoin to Ethereum, or from any two different coins to the coins that you're most interested in. Another piece of this article that I thought was interesting is they talked about Bakkt. Bakkt is a joint venture between the company that owns the New York Stock Exchange, Microsoft, and Starbucks. And so here's what they had to say. Bakkt, a New York Stock Exchange owned Bakkt Bitcoin and cryptocurrency venture, announced in October last year it plans to launch a consumer app for cryptocurrency purchases in 2020. U.S. coffee chain Starbucks will be its first launch partner, with the company one of the original backers of the crypto project, along with the software giant Microsoft and Boston Consulting Group. And so, in addition to Samsung coming out with their cryptocurrency phones, Bakkt is also coming out with an app, and both of these are going to help with cryptocurrency being adopted by the masses. And so this is an exciting time, and I think we're going to see Bitcoin go from something that's used by less than 1 or 2% of the population. In fact, many figures say that right now cryptocurrency is used by like 0.25 or 0.5% of the world's population are actually involved with cryptocurrency, to a day when we could see over 5 billion people using cryptocurrency. And going from that point where only 0.5% of the people use it to the point where 60 or 70 or 80% of the world's population are using cryptocurrency, there's a big explosion in the middle of that has not happened yet. And if that happens, man, look out, the price of cryptocurrencies will skyrocket. ChainLink is the top-rated token Weiss Crypto Ratings. And so ChainLink, the 12th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, has some hours ago received a special accolade from the most trusted crypto rater, Weiss Crypto Ratings. The crypto rater specifically stated that ChainLink is its top-rated digital currency due to its performance since the start of 2020. And so Weiss has actually rated a whole lot of different coins. Here you see their top 5, but you can also click on this link to see their entire listing of all of their top-rated tokens. Also, you can see which ones the Weiss has rated according to liquidity, according to availability, according to investment and reward, and according to investment risk. And so this could be a useful tool for you in your cryptocurrency investing, and we're going to include a link to this webpage in the description and comments right below. So if you're watching this video, say on StockTwits or Twitter, just click the YouTube link and look it up. Look up the links to go to the Weiss Crypto Ratings in the comments in the description section of this video. So this crypto exchange, FCoin, is insolvent after revealing a $130 million Bitcoin shortfall. FCoin, a crypto exchange that adopted the controversial trans-fee mining model, has paused trading and withdrawal as it reveals a shortage of crypto assets worth $130 million. Man, that's a lot of money to have lost, $130 million. But here's the situation. They had a very unusual way of paying for their exchange, and that was through a trans-fee mining model. And so the fees were also involved in mining. And in reading this article, they actually did a miscalculation and were not charging people enough. They were actually giving them too much money when people were trading on their exchange. And as a result, they have paused all trading and all withdrawals. And so if you have cryptocurrency, or if you have any other assets on FCoin, the FCoin Exchange, you may end up having trouble getting your assets, getting your cryptocurrencies off of that exchange. And so hopefully they don't shut down and people actually lose their entire investments. Hopefully something happens, loosens up where they can actually withdraw their cryptocurrencies from the exchange. So this is the big reason. It's what happened to this particular exchange has happened to many other exchanges over the years, and this is the main reason why I recommend that people keep their cryptocurrencies in a hardware wallet, because if you have it in a hardware wallet, something like this will not happen to you because you have possession of your coin. Not your coin, not your keys, not your coin was a motto of an annual event that tries to educate people about, hey, withdraw your crypto from the exchanges so that you have better security over and control over your cryptocurrencies. And so this is also an article about a new service that allows you to do coin swaps. And so on January 22nd of 2019, yeah, that's about a year ago, the Skybridge testnet had its official launch. Through Skybridge, Bitcoin can be used on the Binance chain as a result of a one-to-one peg with Binance-backed BTC tokens. This broadens access to different blockchains along with cheaper transaction fees, faster settlement times, and the freedom to use dApps and DeFi lending platforms while ensuring that consumers continue to benefit from price fluctuations in the world's premier cryptocurrency. And so this is a new coin swapping service that you can use. I took a quick look at it. It doesn't look like there's a whole lot of cryptocurrencies that you can swap at this time, but based on this announcement, it sounds like they're going to be introducing a lot of choices in terms of the cryptocurrencies that you can swap, and this can be done without it ever leaving your hardware wallet. So that's all good news. Now I wanted to share with you the services that I've been using. I keep my cryptocurrencies in a hardware wallet, and I like to use both a service called Changelly and another one called CoinSwitch Pro. And what you do is you put in the amount of coin, and then you select what the kind of coin is that you want, that you own. So maybe you own BAT, or maybe you own BNB, or maybe you own some Dash, and you want to trade that cryptocurrency for another one, such as Ethereum, and you'll be able to do it right through your hardware wallet without ever depositing it onto an exchange. And so that can actually save you time, and it can save you hassle. And then this is the other one that I've used from time to time, and it's called CoinSwitch. And CoinSwitch does basically the same thing. I use whichever one has the best rate. So I'll compare, okay, I'm going to send X amount of Dash, how much Link or whatever other coin I'm looking at, how much will I receive? And then I'll go back and forth between the two websites to find which one. And these are 2 out of about 5 that I tend to use. These were just the most recent 2 that I've used recently. And so that's one way of handling your cryptocurrency without ever depositing it on an exchange and then needing to withdraw it. So that saved me some time, and I wanted to share it with you guys as well. So how can I be of service to you? Do you have any questions? Is there something that you want me to cover in a little bit more detail? Or do you disagree with me? Hey, you know things I don't know. I know things that you don't know. And when we get together and we share what each other knows, we're going to grow smarter together. I want to grow smarter together with you. So share your comments and information in the comment section below on the YouTube channel. In the meantime, like, subscribe, and hodl. I hope that you have a fantastic day.